Okay, Tom, thought you might like to see the revamped amp. Got the high-speed fans installed, and I soldered the wires to the post rather than use those plugs. Okay, there's your Toshibas in there. Okay. Alright, more to come. Okay, just finishing up the LESCOM enhancements. I got the shield off so I can get to the 10.7 IO filter. Already got the caps in. Getting ready to swap that guy out right now. More to come. Okay, new filter is in. Getting ready to put the shield back on. Oh, I almost forgot. There's your something to point with. There's the new first RF transistor right there. It's a tiny little bit crooked, but that's, you know, the connections are still good. Okay, more to come. Okay, got the switches all mounted and labeled. Got the hot glue on the back of them to protect them from touching that amplifier case, shield, enclosure, whatever you want to call it. Getting ready now to install the SP1A. Already got your switch mounted over here on the side, so you'll be able to reach it from the front and be able to cut it on and off real easy. Okay. More to come. I got your SP1A installed. Used double-sided tape to mount it onto the shield. Okay, you can get to every adjustment except for L6. L6 underneath there, but you usually don't have to touch L6 during alignment anyway. I've already aligned it, but if you do, whoever works on it can just, you know, slip something under this and cut it off like dental floss. Just pull it through there and cut that foam into and get it off so they can get to the adjustment. And I did add connectors to the lines coming from the SP1A so that if something happens, you don't want to use it anymore, you can just unplug it here and unplug it there, and then take this line and plug it back into the radio down there. Okay, and that takes the SP1 out altogether. Here's the switch for the SP1. It'll come out on the lower left hand side of the radio. Down is off, up is on. Okay, so you can cut that on and off like you want to. Alright, now I'm getting ready to connect the amplifier back up to it, and then we're going to do some power checks. I had to move your SP1. I forgot about this thing. It wouldn't sit on top of here. That's where I normally put it for the 2950s, so I just automatically put it right there, but there's a spot for it over here. It just covers up like one capacitor right there, but I've just got one strip of double-sided tape underneath it, and that strip, there's nothing there where that strip is, and so this is not sitting on top of any of the components. Okay, so you shouldn't have to take it off, remove it for anything. Alright, putting the amplifier back on it, hooking it up. I got it hooked up to my MFJ power supply, which only provides 75 amps. Okay, got the voltage set at, well, I did have it set at 13.8. Set it about 13.9 right there. Got a 1,000 watt slug in RMS, 1,000 watt slug in peak. Let's see, I'm in AM now. Dead key in about, we're reading on that bottom scale. We're dead key in about 150 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Okay, and that's just off 75 amps, off that 75 amp power supply at 13.8 14.9 volts. That's on AM. I'm going to go to lower sideband. Hello, audio, audio, hello, hello, audio. About 580 watts RMS. Audio. About 900 peak. Okay. That's on sideband. Like I said, it's on that little 75 amp piece of junk MFJ power supply up there. I like all the conveniences on the front of that power supply, but I hate the fact that the power switch is in the back of the damn thing, because on my bench I need to be able to reach the front of it and cut it on and off. Instead, I have to walk over and switch off a power strip I got it hooked to. So that's a pain in the ass. That's why I don't like it. Not only that, but it's noisy. But anyway, you can hear your high-speed fan spooling up. I'll get the my big power supply out and set it up here before long, and we can see what it's really going to do. But I was getting ready to make the hole in the cover there and put that in it. You know, to make it easy to get this guy through that hole right there, and so it sets flush when the radio is all together. But down is off and up is on. I was going to let you hear it. I got my 2970N4. I got the mic gain on the microphone turned way down. This is without the SP1. Okay. This is with the SP1. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1, 2. Now, I apologize for the feedback, but it's the only way I can get it where you can hear it. Let's see. Oh, come on, stop that. Turn the volume down a little more. Hello, audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's with it on. I'm going to cut it off now. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And the reason that's happening is because I got a power mic that I'm using to test with. Like I said, I got the mic turned, you know, past 2 or that below 2. And it's still doing that. I could control it more with the mic gain here on the front. But, your fans are getting a little faster. All right. Let me go do other stuff. I'll be back. Okay, just wanted to show you the switches on the back. They're labeled. One closest to the heat sink is the amp. One in the center is the Ranger noise filter. The one on the side closest to the speaker jack is the high cut filter. Okay. I'm about to show you how well those work. Alright, right now, I don't have any of them on. I'm turning on the Ranger noise filter now. Okay, Ranger noise filter off. Alright, now I'm going to turn on the high cut filter. That's high cut off. Now I'm going to turn them both on. High cut and Ranger noise filter. Isn't that nice? Wow. I've got that on mine. I wouldn't live without it. I couldn't stand listening to that frying noise all day long. Anyway, thought I'd show you that. Okay, let me get out the big power supply and let's see what this thing will do. And we're back. I'm hooked up to my Hornet 125. Okay, got the voltage set at 14.9. Still got the same 1,000 on that side and 1,000 on that side. So the left side is average power, or RMS. The right side is peak power. We'll be reading on the bottom scale on both. 100 equals 1,000. 60 equals 600. 40 equals 400, so on and so forth. Okay? Alright. Right now I'm on AM. Amp is off. I'm going to turn the amp on. RF power's all the way up. We're dead keying about 175 watts there. Audio. Hello, audio. And I'm on my stock microphone. Hello, audio. Audio, hello. I got an adapter on here and it doesn't look like the adapter's working. Hang on a second, let me change mics. I'm back on the little Cobra microphone. You can see I got it set real low. We're on AM right there. Same slugs, haven't changed the slugs, just changed microphones. Let's set the camera up here. Hopefully you can see that there. Move that light out of the way. Actually, that light kind of helps, doesn't it? I move it down that way. Okay, we're on AM, channel 20. Okay, reading on the bottom scales. I'm at 14.9 volts. Dead keying about 175 watts, pulling 22. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Alright, let me switch up to the 2.5 scale. So now we're reading on the top scale. 10 is 1000, 15 is 1500, 1250 is in between those 2 points. Hello, audio, audio, hello, hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. I think that we should have went with 4-gauge wire on this. I really do. But you know, if you don't run it wide open all the time, you'll probably be okay. Alright, that was on AM. Audio, audio, audio. About 175, swing up to about 200. Now let's go to sideband. I'm on lower sideband now. Audio. That's almost 700 watts. But see how short the wire is? Okay, comes out of there, goes right into the power supply. But audio, hello, hello, audio. So it's drawing about 68, 69, 70 watt, or amps, not watts, amps, at 14.9. But look at what we're doing on power. Audio. About 1250 watts peak and about 700 watts RMS. Okay, but now when you start stretching this small 8-gauge cable out, you're going to lose a lot of amperage and you're going to lose a lot of power. Okay, the power will drop, voltage will drop from your battery going to the radio more with this size cable than it would with this size cable. Okay, all right, that's about the end of it there. It's all set up. Well, Thomas, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.